Hello and welcome back for another CFX price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to start the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that on the 10th of June, we saw this massive crash in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.1658 mark. And in that breakdown move, we managed to lose significant areas of supports here on the charts. And afterwards, we had been seeing a bit of a consolidation here on the charts until finally on the 20th of June, we started this impulsive breakout to the upper side in a move that has now managed to break through the key area of resistance at around the $0.2 mark. We got a successful retest. We continued gearing up, so a break above the next key area of resistance at around the $0.2485 mark. We even got a successful retest, and right now we seem to be in much of a consolidation once more before we can get the next breakout. And there are chances that CFX might continue gearing up and see a breakout to the upper side and smash through our next key area of resistance at around the $0.285 mark. And the moment we manage to break above it, we can expect a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and get above the $0.3 mark once more. We also need to have in mind that we can see the breakout get to the next key area of resistance at around the $0.285 mark. We get rejected, and then afterwards we can expect a pullback to the lower side, where we can expect our key area of support at around the $0.25245 mark to offer us support. Then from that point we can get another bounce back to the upside, smashing through key areas of resistances. And in case the breakout is to the lower side, or maybe we get rejected over here and see that pullback to the lower side, and if by any chance this key area of support does not continue to hold and we break through it, then we can expect to get a successful retest before we can expect further breakdown to our next key area of support at around the $0.2 mark. That is another breakdown move that we can expect here on the CFX chart. And those are my key moves that I'm watching out at the moment, basing it on the key areas of supports and resistances. Also, given that from the 20th of June, we have been seeing higher prices in this massive breakout over here, where you can see that the market is up by more than 46.16%. At some point, we need to be waiting for a cool off on the charts after seeing that massive breakout to the upper side. And once that starts to play out, then we can expect a bit of a pullback here on the charts in a move that could give us a break below significant areas of supports. And the support area that we need to keep our eyes on is the area at around the $0.245 mark, because a break below that we can expect a successful retest, and then afterwards we might find our way to the area at around the 0.2 or maybe the $0.21 mark. That is a very possible scenario that we need to keep in mind here on the CFX chart. Jumping to the daily chart to give you my analysis, basing it on the Elliot wave structures, you can see that after seeing our low on the 11th of June, we saw that massive pump giving us the all-time high at around the $0.49 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we saw a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 in a move that has now fully maximized minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area. And there are chances that whatever we are seeing on the lower time frames is the start of an impulsive move to the upside in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 3, and giving you minimum target areas for that third wave to the upside by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. We get a target area for the wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.7477 mark. and that is the minimum that we can expect CFX to do. And let's keep our eyes on those key areas of supports and resistances, and also try to track a 5-wave move within the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3, because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 3. And I'll be keeping you updated on a daily basis. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI. We are trading at around the 58 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, still fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.